Hello. Today I'm doing an open house at 34595 Lanesboro Court in North Branch, Minnesota. I am going to give you a quick tour. So come on in. Tile floors. And that is the living room area with the beautiful vaulted ceilings. Everything is solid woodwork here. There we go. You're gonna see better. If you go to the right, there is a full bath. Look how high those ceilings are. This place is just so spacious. Beautiful granite countertops. A tiled shower. Tub. And of course linen closets. But yeah, solid doors. There's 2 bedrooms on this side of the room, or the house. This is a slab on grade home. No basement, no crawl space. It is absolutely gorgeous outside. And then across the way here, there's another bedroom. Once again, I mean, look at the ceilings. Gorgeous. It's so roomy here. I love those windows above the bed, right? Oh, there's a light on the closet. Let's take a look. Oh, okay. So, big closet. So back out here. Now see the built-in bookcase. And then this gorgeous formal dining room with the matching tiled floor. And look at the cathedral windows. Beautiful. That faces west, so that's a sunset window. And there's the east window for the sunrise. And on the south side here, we've got a sunroom with French doors, high ceilings, of course, matching tile floors. There's a big storage shed out there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a gazebo out there. I'll try to get a better picture of that, but gorgeous patio, lots of perennial gardens. Everything's already done. So let's go into the kitchen area. So, of course, there's the granite countertops, custom cabinets, pendant lights. What a gorgeous spot. I had somebody just come through and said they wouldn't put a kitchen table there. They would put like a little seating area in here. But it's definitely meant for a kitchen table. But you could do whatever you wanted. There's the gazebo. And the beautiful kitchen with a great big huge pantry closet. And that goes way up. So my purse and computer case, but you get the idea. Beautiful stainless steel. Look how deep that sink is under mount. Beautiful backsplash. These are soft close drawers and cabinets. Tiled floor. And lots of cupboards. I love that refrigerator with the pull-out drawer. Into a big hallway and a coat closet, which works nicely off of where the garage is right The door to the garage is right there. This is the laundry room. I mean, look how nice this is. Raised countertops so you don't break your back when you're folding. Another big closet. So you got two coat closets next to each other. Security, if you want it. And here is the garage area. They've got that side door so you can fit another vehicle up front here if you wanted to. So you could really fit 3 vehicles in here nicely. This is an actual handmade storm shelter, which I don't know if you can really see, but I think I feel safe in there. And then all these built-in storage cupboards, very deep. This is the mechanical room. Looks like there's some in-floor heat along with the forced air. There's a door or a set of steps that drop down. So I'm assuming you can put some more stuff in there too, if you wanted to. Then let's take a look at the master or the primary bedroom. Nice size walk-in closet with a pocket door. Beautiful bedroom windows. And then an extra closet. And then look at this bath. Beautiful soaking tub with the privacy glass windows. Linen closet, pocket door, big shower. With a seat. And beautiful granite tops. So this home pretty much has it all. And this dining set comes with the property unless you don't want it. But it's such a perfect match, the woodwork and everything, that they've decided to leave it for the buyers. Or if you want to do something else with this space, then they'll remove it for you. So it's a big piece of property in Sunrise Trails. And it's right on the Sunrise River. And they have a canoe landing and a campground and a picnic area off the trails. And there's walking and skiing trails, 10 kilometers worth, throughout the park. And this is a beautiful, beautiful home. Give me a call today if you'd like to see it. This is Linda Risch, 612-290-7607. That's Linda Risch at 612-290-7607. And this is 34595 Lanesboro Court, North Branch, Minnesota. If you want to see it, it's still available. It's 2,233 finished square feet and slab on grade, and it's $515,000. Give me a call.